Whilst it hasn't been a difficult winter, the spring has proven quite difficult, and whilst there's been an amount of grass out there to be grazed at the moment, utilisation of grass has proved quite difficult. Across in the country there at the moment, we have a wide range of scenarios at the moment, from people who are on a full winter diet comprising of a proportion of silage, possibly a small amount of grazed grass, and up to about 8 kilos of concentrate, to the complete opposite in the drier parts of the country, who are well into their second round of grazing at this stage and at about 2.5–3 kilos of a more pasture range feed. But irrespective of this, we'll be encouraging everyone to utilise the grass as much as ever they can. It's a cheap feed to be utilised to the best of its ability, and it's the cheapest way of getting the milk into the bull tank at the moment. Coupled with that, then, we're on top of the breeding season. Most people will start their breeding season from about the 10th to the 15th of April, and then we would encourage people to use what we call our flagship product for the spring range, is our premium spring breeder. Some of the features and benefits of the spring breeder is it's a 14% high energy feed, heavily weighted toward digestible fibres to complement grass. Grass at this time of the year is very, very high in protein, and we're noticing from analysis through our NIR4, it's coming into the low, even to the mid-20s in protein. So the 14% protein is over and above what anyone would need for that given time of year. The digestible fibre then helps complement that grass. There's no point putting in an additional amount of additional starch into the diet to only cause additional rumen upsets and so on and so forth. Coupled along with that, there's a high percentage of maize in the diet, which will keep the energy level of the overall diet very well balanced in conjunction with the digestible fibre. Some of the features and benefits of the spring breeder are namely Novotan, which is a rumen modifier, which helps to reduce the level of ammonia in the rumen and helps the cow not to be working so hard to digest that high protein grass that is currently available at Farmland. Coupled with this, then, we have our protected mineral package then as well. So it's the protected copper, selenium and zinc to help basically to additionally help the cow back into calf, because they're working that bit harder digesting that high protein, high quality grass. So all this is included in 2.5 kilo inclusion rate for both minerals and cal mag to make it a very safe digestible feed for the breeding season.